Let's look at questions 6 through 8. So here they ask us, when is the velocity increasing? When is the velocity decreasing? And then they want us to compare and contrast those answers. So let's take a look at our graph. When is our velocity increasing? So this is going to be the situation where the acceleration is positive. And so if we look at our chart, we can see that we have labeled positive acceleration on the continuous interval from 3 to 5. So it's going to be increasing when acceleration is positive, and that's going to be on the interval from 3 to 5. Now they want to know, when is the velocity decreasing? Well, the velocity is going to be decreasing when the acceleration is negative. And I have a negative acceleration from 1 to 2, and again from 2 to 3. And it would be okay to say 1 is less than t is less than 3, because it is decreasing across that entire union of those two intervals. But maybe just to be specific, since they are different velocities, maybe we'll list them independently. So let's say 1 is less than t is less than 2, and then the other one is 2 is less than t is less than 3. And another good reason why maybe we should think about breaking these two intervals up is that we do have a cusp here at 2, and so that means that velocity is not going to be differentiable at the point x equals 2, and so for that reason there's no acceleration at that point, and so the acceleration can't be negative if it doesn't exist. That's kind of really particular, but I think this is probably the best way to express our solution. All right, let's look at number 8. Number 8 says, are your answers to questions 6 and 7 the same as your answers to 4 and 5, respectively? So for 6 and 7, the velocity is increasing from 3 to 5. And in 4, when is the particle speeding up? That was from 2 to 3. So no, those aren't the same. And then when is the velocity decreasing? From 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. And we said from 1 to 2 and 3 to 5. So no, they're not the same. Okay, so why? Why are they not the same? And the reason is that velocity increases where the acceleration is positive. So where a is greater than 0.